All right, we're looking at problem number 21. And in problem number 21, you can see that we have another simplify and evaluate. This one has no variable, so that means we're going to be able to evaluate it all the way down to a single number. So let's go ahead and look at this. We use please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The first thing we notice is that we have a parenthesis. Now you might be tempted because we've done so many distributive properties to try and do distributive property on this. And technically you could. But when we're using order of operations, we don't do distributive property for the most part. The reason for doing distributive property is when we have a variable so that we can multiply inside the parentheses and get rid of the parentheses. So in this problem, we're going to actually just work out the parentheses. So 17 minus 3 squared is 9. We have our 6 out in front, and we're going to subtract 22. Our next step, finish off the parentheses by subtracting. 6 times 17 minus 9 is 8 minus 22. Multiplication is next, 48. 6 times 8 minus 22. 48 minus 22 is 26. And now we've reduced this down to a single number. We're done. Again, don't try to use distributive property because there's no variable inside of the parentheses.